Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to download and install Steam on your Windows PC. Follow along with these simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Steam Download and hit enter. Click on the first link that says Steam, Download, Store. SteamPower.com to ensure you're getting the official version. On the Steam page, click the green button that says Install Steam. This will start downloading the Steam setup file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the Steam setup.exe file. The Steam installation wizard will open. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to choose your installation preferences. After selecting your preferences, click Install. Steam will now be installed on your PC. Once installation is complete, you can either click Finish to close the installer or check the box to launch Steam immediately. If you already have a Steam account, you can log in. If not, you can easily create one by clicking Create a New Account. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy gaming!